guys, hi Naija Tribe. Welcome back to today's video. Today is a follow-up to our previous video, which is our garden prep series, where we start to cultivate the ground and try to get ready to plant some herbs and some vegetables. So today we're actually going to plant those vegetables and herbs. I'm very excited about it, and then we're going to do some continued beautification to our front yard. So stay on the journey, guys. Welcome those tips, keep them coming. They've been very helpful. We're trying to put them to use, and I really appreciate y'all saying this. If you haven't done so yet, you're not part of the Naija Tribe, please make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Really appreciate all your support. We began the day with my co-worker and her family cleaning the herb bed and loosening up the soil. After tilling a few weeks back, we received loads of rainstorms, so this step was needed. We took a bag or two of Miracle-Gro's garden soil and we placed it on top of the herb garden and we worked it into the ground. We arranged the placement of all the herbs in the garden so we could start planting. Oh, I think we got it now, buddy. What? I think we got a hole, look. We got a hole. That looks good. I'll stir it right there. With the assistance of my cute little buddy Grayson, we dug 4-inch holes and planted each herb. After completing the herb garden, my friends had to leave, so I took the knowledge they gave me and transferred that over to our vegetable garden. So here we planted zucchini, cauliflower, bell pepper, cabbage, broccoli, cantaloupe, garlic, red potatoes, Yukon Gold potatoes, and yellow onion. In the herb garden, we planted rosemary, sage, Italian flatleaf parsley, cilantro, oregano, basil, thyme, German and lemon, lavender, and eucalyptus. After planting everything and those goulashes I was wearing, my feet were killing me and I had to take a break. After my foot break, we went ahead and repotted the cherry tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, mint, and aloe vera. My friends told me that mint grows like weeds and we shouldn't plant it in the herb gardens and put it in a pot, so we did. We also potted the aloe vera because my friends also told me that it can't stay outside all year. You have to bring it in and out of the house. And then we put the tomatoes in larger bins and with these tomato cages. We did not know tomato cages were so difficult. Please, what did we do wrong? Please leave a comment below and tell us what we're doing wrong. OMG guys, look, they're growing for real. After watering everything, I am now repurposing paint stir sticks to label the items in my garden. On to our front yard beautification project. We needed to expand the ring around our cherry plum bush. Using an edger, which was a lot of work, we went around the bush creating a distinct ring. What do y'all think? Leave a comment below. What could we have done better? What tips do you have to get the ring as a perfect circle instead of an oval like we did? What tips do you have concerning gardening? Do you get as worn out doing yard work like I do? Give me some tips, guys. Love to hear your thoughts. Love your feedback. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video. Thanks so much.